Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Mila. I'm a Filipina,
Okay, how old are you?
36 years old.
Are you single or married?
I'm married.
Okay, do you have children?
Yes, I have two children,
Two children, and where
one
are
daughter
they
and
now?
one son.
Where are they now?
They're from a country, Philippines.
Philippines. Who's taking care of your children in Philippines?
It's their father.
Father. Okay, so when would you be able to start working?
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible. Okay, so what position are you applying for?
It's a nanny, maid,
Nanny,
all around.
all around. Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, I have a lot of relatives here.
Okay, please describe your last job. What was your last job?
My last job is a nanny maid. Is doing some cleaning, some take care of baby,
Okay.
and you have to tidy up and some. It's normal job of the maid. So helping for cooking and simple recipe that I cook. Then look after the children and pet. We have a pet before. Have a cat.
Okay, so how many children were under your care?
Two children, 5 and 2.
Five and two. Okay, so what did you like most about your last job? What did you enjoy doing? Cleaning, cooking, or looking after children?
Looking after children.
Okay, so describe in details how do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
Yes, you have to clean first the toilet.
Mm-hmm.
Then have to tidy all the bed.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, I tidy all the things. Then I'll do vacuum. Then the mop. I do that when the babies already sleep because the priority is the babies.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Yeah, I just get that and I will call my madam first. If she has an expecting delivery, then that's it. If this is for my madam, I will get it.
Okay. So you said you know how to cook. What kind of foods you can cook?
Make it pasta, roast, some vegetable, stir fry.
Okay. So do you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Just playing in the garden and swimming.
Okay. So what do children like best about you?
Yeah, they like me. They like me to go with them outside and play with them and reading with books with them.
Okay. So if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
So I just check it if I am give him first aid with that. Then after that, I will call my mom to know about what happened, her baby.
Okay, as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
It depends.
When are you going to say no?
If the children is they doing a bad things or they answering a very rude,
Mm-hmm.
they have to discipline them in a proper way.
Okay. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those
Yes.
3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Then after that, after a dress from the uniform, sometimes I play with them. They will play. I bring them in the garden or in the park before
Okay.
they take dinner.
Okay. So how much is your expected minimum salary?
2, 3, up to 2, 5.
Okay. So 2 3 up to 2 5. Okay.
Yes.
Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Yes, I'm a simple Filipina, very quiet, but quite bit strict to children, very professional to work, and a very loving nanny.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Mila from HCV.com. Thank